In this video, I am going to guide you about checking a contractor's license on HomeAdvisor. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the HomeAdvisor app on your mobile device or visit the HomeAdvisor website. 2. Log into your account using your registered email and password. 3. Navigate to the professional's profile whose license you want to verify. 4. Look for the credentials or license section on their profile. 5. Check if their license information is listed, including the license number and issuing authority. 6. Note the license details provided on the profile for further verification. 7. Visit the licensing authority's official website for your state or region. 8. Enter the license number to verify its authenticity and validity. Following these steps ensures you hire a licensed and trustworthy professional.